On April 16 to 20, Tiger House is leading Earth Day Week.
This is the first time anyone at MAK has ever done something with Earth Day. The Tiger House will be doing special events at lunch, handing out stickers, and planting a tree at MAK.
Wait, hold on. Shouldn't we do something about the background?
Yeah, this background is too old. Okay, let's change it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, way better.
So April 17th, varsity volleyball vs KS at KS.
Go varsity, you guys can do this.
And on April 18th, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and the middle school drama is going to Taichung to see Snoopy musical.
I hope you guys have fun watching the play.
And on April 20th and 21st, 3rd grade is having school sleepover.
I remember when I did this in 3rd grade. I had a really great time, so I hope you guys do too.
And on April 21st, junior and senior are having a prom.
Junior and senior people, make sure you practice your dance.
And on April 22nd, it's Earth Day!
This year, the Earth Day theme is plastic.
And on April 24th, elementary is having a spring concert.
Make sure to practice and do your best on the concert.
And on April 25th, varsity volleyball at VSKS at MAK.
Go Sharks! You guys got this!
And on April 27th, middle school festival is at Taichung.
The Taichung, Taipei, and Kaohsiung Morrison campuses are all going to be joined together to do music and drama together.
And on April 28th, it's tournament. Junior varsity men volleyball at AST Taichung, and varsity men volleyball at KS, and varsity women's soccer at Yisheng.
Wow, that's a lot of tournament. But make sure you guys practice your sports and do your best.
And on May 1st, Shark Review is coming out this week.
A lot of people worked really hard on writing things for the Shark Review, so please enjoy what they wrote.
And on May 4th, it's half day!
Yay! Half day! Oh my gosh, I can finally rest.
And on May 4th, elementary is having a poetry day.
Make sure to memorize your poems and please don't forget them.
And on May 4th, it's MSCSL Day.
And this is the Christian Service Learning, and we're going to serve our community. And that's it for the announcements. Let's get on with the show. Random fact! Have you ever noticed that the word wrong is spelled wrong in the dictionary?
Really?
Yeah, come look.
Possible.
Oh. Ooh.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Logan, also known as Mr. Birthdays. I thought for this episode, why don't we do something a little special? Let's do birthdays with Snapchat.
to Men on the Street. Today's question is,
Which holiday is on April 22nd?
hint, it's Earth Day.
3 days before my birthday. A day we need break from school on.
It's the day after tomb sweeping where the ghosts come and find you.
I guess it is St. Patrick's Day.
I don't know.
My birthday. I don't know.
I don't know.
April 22nd is National Llama Day.
ASL Day, National Sleep Day.
April 22nd is Earth Day.
And that's it for the Men on the Street.
Back to you.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. I'm Gabby from the Tiger Shark's house. And as some of you may know, we have a very special day coming up, and that's Earth Day. Earth Day is a day where we can learn about how to protect the Earth and its environment.
Boring!
Okay, well, so this year's Earth Day theme is plastic pollution.
Lame!
Please, Eden, this is a serious problem.
Oh, really? Then what exactly is plastic pollution?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Plastic pollution is when the plastic we use ends up just being thrown away, and it ends up in oceans and on lands and in habitats where they don't belong. What happens is that birds and fish end up eating this, and that's not good for them.
Okay, that is pretty serious though. What else can we do to help the environment and help prevent plastic pollution?
Well, here's something to know. Every year, the world produces over 300 million tons of plastic.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of plastic!
Eden, pick that up!
Oh, okay.
And the sad thing is that most of the time, this plastic just ends up in the environment. Over 8 million tons of plastic ends up in the oceans.
Plastic isn't the kind of food that fish want to eat either. Wow, those are some pretty serious facts. What else can we do to prevent plastic pollution?
Well, there are many of ways. One of them is to make a commitment not to buy plastic water bottles. Instead, use reusable ones like these. They last longer and they keep your water colder. Every year, 500 million bottles are used and they're just thrown away, most of them not recycled.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Another thing you can do is to not use these disposable plastic bags so much. Instead, buy reusable ones that you can take grocery shopping or just shopping in general. Every year, over 1 trillion plastic bags are thrown away. That's a lot.
Wow, that's a lot of plastic bags.
A third thing you can do is to recycle and reuse your plastic. Like this one. You just fill it with water and put it in the refrigerator so you have ice cold water all the time. Also, be sure to educate yourself on what plastics can or cannot be recycled. For example, most of your tea straws, that plastic can't be recycled. Another way to prevent that is to use metal straws.
Awesome! I have another question. What does God say about Earth Day?
Another great question. Well, Genesis 1:1 tells us that in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. And then in Genesis 1:31, it says that God saw everything that he had made, and behold, it was very good.
Oh, I see. So God commands us to take care of his creation. But we don't have to just take care of Earth on Earth Day. We can take care of Earth every day.
That's right. So this week, help us take action and raise awareness about Earth Day and plastic pollution. Throughout the week, on April 16th to 20th, the Tiger Sharks will be hosting a variety of activities, right? Such as...
Yeah, we're going to be showing videos, we're going to be passing out stickers, and we're planting a tree to celebrate Earth Day.
Right. So watch out for how much plastic you're using and think about where it goes.
Happy Earth Day!
Ah!
Doris, why are you so nervous? Sounds like you have something to hide.
No, it's not like...
Hey! I think we just found ourselves the next suspect to interrogate. Let's do it. It usually works.
Amateur, this is how you do it. Show off.
Why am I here? Obviously, I'm not the culprit.
Oh, really? This here is an answer key, and guess where I found it? Your backpack! All the answers here match your answers. What do you have to say about this, huh, Doris?
Well...
I was the first one who arrived in the classroom, and no one was there. Then I saw the teacher's answer keys to our math homework. I didn't want people to cheat, so I thought I could just keep them and hide them in my backpack. I was just trying to help.
Okay, so for your information, I wasn't manipulatively trying to use them to sabotage your answers. Rather, I was deliberately preventing cheating to occur in that facility, okay?
I just heard many things. Things I would pretend to understand, and I'm gonna move on, because I trust Doris just a bit. But I still think one of you here destroyed our homework, and is the true culprit behind all of this.
But Theodore, what if it's you?
No. No such things. No.
I know who we're gonna interrogate. Interrogate next. What?
That does it for the 10th episode of the Structure. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. Well, I guess that's it. So remember, recycle, because the earth is important. Earth Day!
Earth Day!
Earth
Day! Earth Day birthday! Yeah!
Welcome back to the 10th
Dream a little dreamer. And on May 4th, it's middle school CSL day.
This is the Christian service learning, and then we're gonna service the people over there.
Teachers seem to whisper
that the word is spelled. The word wrong is spelled wrong in the dictionary.
Welcome back, guys. This is the 10th episode of the 60s.
What happened?
Dream a little dreamer.
Okay, Mr. Griffin, you didn't hear that.
What?
Hello.
What?
It's him.
What?
Suggestion that Saturday night.
And the middle school drama is going to Taichung to see Snoopy musical. Come on.